Hello, hello, hello! I'm back with this JC Organic Barley Juice. Alam niyo ba kung anong secret ko para maging healthy at energetic? Ito yun oh, ang JC Organic Barley Juice. Grabe, ang dami nitong vitamins, nutrients, minerals, and antioxidants na kailangan ng body mo everyday. Actually, simula nung uminom ako ng barley organic juice, mas gumaan yung pakiramdam ko and mas naging okay yung digestion ng katawan ko. Isang sachet lang everyday, mas healthy na ang body. Uy, hindi lang to hype. Game changer talaga to. Kaya ikaw, simulan mo na din mag-drink ng JC Organic Barley Juice once a day everyday. Kung gusto mong mas maging healthy, try mo na tong JC Organic Barley Juice. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Check my shop link. Go green, go healthy.